Right guys, so this is going to be a different video because we're going to be doing a home fire, CO and heat alarm reviews. So yeah, let's get on to the video. And firstly, we're going to be starting with my main CO alarm, the Fire Angel EI3016EU. Now this is working. I took out the tab. I mainly use this for my bedroom, which is my main bedroom CO alarm. And I do mainly use it because I store it away just in case if my mom is not here. And if she's here, she just, what do you call it? She just works every time for 12 hours. So it does work. I saw the green light go off. And let's see if it can give us a green light again. Come on. Okay. Right, we're going to test this. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, it does work. And yeah, you heard the test thing. You heard the piezo go off. So yeah, I have this tab just in case I want to turn it off. And yeah, I'm going to keep this out for now, just in case if I'm not here in my bedroom. So yeah, let's move on. Oh, also, I did put on the fucking fake EI3016 fake alarm on the fucking wall yesterday because I failed to do a video and I failed to do the days and everything. Right, does this work? Oh my fucking god, it does. Right, yeah, I'm going to put this back where it was and yeah, let's move on. Next we have the Aico EI3016. Now this is the real alarm and yeah, this is the same alarm, well nearly, that looks like my Fire Angel CO alarm. So this has Radiolink Plus and yeah, replaced by, what the fuck it says, replaced by 2037. Now, my CO alarm also has a replaced by date, which I'm going to show you. And it also has a 2037 replaced by date, because this is brand fucking new. This is brand new. And yeah, I'm sorting out my room in a minute because it's a fucking mess right now. But yep, that's the Fire Angel again I'm showing you. Here's the CO thing. Does work. Here it is again. Alright. So yep, that's our smoke alarm, optical smoke alarm. 2037 with Radiolink Plus. Right, let's move on to the next one. Next we have the Aico EI3016 WRF model with Radiolink Plus standard capabilities. Now, this is working. This is our also CO, our main CO alarms. with Radiolink Plus on it, if it'll flash for us. I mean, yeah, these do quite sometimes flash when you see them. Oh, there we go. Right. My one does also flash, which is a Fire Angel, but yeah. Here's the replacement date, 2037 again. Because this is a WRF model, and they do interconnect, but I'm not going to test them because how loud, and I can't set off the whole fire alarm system, but you saw me test the Fire Angel. So yeah, let's move on. Also, my cat tried to ruin the video. Next, we have the Aico EI3016 again. And yeah, I already fucking told you, my cat's trying to ruin the fucking video. Here it is, with Radiolink Plus on it. It is a Radiolink Plus enabled because it has a fucking light on it. There is... Now, to be clearly, or how the fuck you say it, clearly, how to be with you, my CO alarm does not interconnect with the smoke alarms or the CO alarms or that heat alarm because mine is not an Aico product. And yeah, that's it basically. Replaced by 2037, same bloody year. Now let's move on to the next device. Next we have the Aico EI3016, or the IRF model. Now this has the same replacement date, 2037, and our old alarms also included one of these, and one of them went off before, and this one didn't. So yeah, here it is again. And we mainly don't do any smoke around this house because these are our main ones. And I test my one sometimes daily when my mom is not in the house. So yeah, I'm not going to be testing these, of course, because how loud they are. Or maybe I will do, or maybe I won't. So yeah. Now, this guy I didn't even show you in this video. Next we have the Aico EI450 Fire CO alarm controller. Now, this is working. I'm not going to test this because, yeah, there's the test button. And it does work. I would show you it working, but no, I won't do that for the video. Turn on the flash. Yeah, the replacement date is upside down. Replaced by 2032. By November. By November you have to replace it. That is fucking mad. But yeah, here it is. Does work. But yeah, let's move on to the next device. Next we have the Aico EI3016 WRF model again, with Radiolink Plus on it, if it will flash for us. I mean, sometimes they do rarely flash for us, these alarms. They do for the CO ones. Come on. Okay, it doesn't want to flash. I mainly see a flash every time when I come here. But yeah, here's the replacement date. Same fucking bloody year. 2037. This is so shite that they have the same replacement date. Next we move on to the EI630 IRF, or the I model. But this is a heat alarm, and I mainly never got this alarm to work. Oh, I am so scared. I am not doing this. I am not doing this. It does work. Surprisingly, I think I heard like 1 minute death beeps or anything like that. Here's the heat sensor. It does work. I'm not going to turn it on for purposes. Replaced by 2037 again, like my Fire Angel. But yeah, here it is again. Does work. I can touch it. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.